Exfoliate.
This doesn't work. I'm trying it again with glue.
I can play tic-tac-toe. I'm gonna do 2 layers. I can literally roll the dead skin off my body.
Ow! Shoot, that hurt.
Hey guys, it's maiphammy here, and today I'm gonna be doing another glow up video, but this one's different because this one actually kind of matters. So basically, this weekend is Playlist Live. It's my first Playlist Live ever, and if you guys don't know what Playlist Live is, it's like a convention where a bunch of TikTokers and YouTubers go there, and then they can like meet their fans and stuff like that. And I've never been before. So basically, to attract the TikTok e-boys, I need to be an e-girl. See, I bleached my hair and dyed it pink a couple weeks ago, and I made a video on that. And I dyed it purple recently, and then I just dyed it black, but it washed out. So I need to kind of get it professionally done. So that's what I'm gonna do today. What is this transformation gonna consist of, guys? Let me tell you. So we're gonna get my hair dyed. We're gonna self-tan. We're gonna whiten my teeth. We're gonna do a face mask, exfoliate, wax my eyebrows, wax my upper lip, shave, do a full face of makeup, hopefully put extensions in, get my nails done, get my toes done. We're gonna do the most because I need to attract these TikTok e-boys so that I can feel validated. Just kidding. I'm really kidding with that one. Just a quick disclaimer because I know everyone's actually gonna take this seriously. Trust me, I'm not doing this for boys. It's funny, okay? If you guys haven't watched any of these glow up videos, go watch more because I have like 10. Okay, this is a before. I actually have some pretty clear skin right now, and my hair is actually healthy because I stopped bleaching it so often. Also, do you guys like my teeth? I just put my Invisalign in for the first time in like a month, and I have a lisp now, and my teeth fucking hurt. I'll see you guys at the salon. Okay, so I'm at the salon now. I'm here with my stylist that dyed my hair black last time. She watched my video where I dyed it e-girl pink, and what were your thoughts on the video?
I couldn't watch it.
It was so bad, but she's here to save it again. If you guys can see, like, it's purple, but she's gonna dye it back to black because whenever it's in the sunlight especially, you can see that it's purple and it just doesn't look good. So we're gonna make my hair look half decent so that I don't look stupid. We're gonna rinse my hair out. It's been in for 30 minutes, so. This is what the hair looks like. It's so shiny. Oh my god, I love it. I regret doing the streaks, okay? My hair, I'm not ever doing that again. It was for the content, but we're back to black. This is Maddie. She did my hair last time. She like specializes in balayage. Cute sun-kissed hair for this summer. Come to her. She's in Calgary.
Fetish people, look away.
Okay, I just got my nails done and my toes done, and I absolutely love them. I was gonna get Sailor Moon, but then they didn't have all the gems that I needed to do them, so I just did this like Louis Vuitton one. I love it. It's like so classy, and it's like not bold, but like it's like low-key. Hi, okay, so it's later in the day. This bikini's too small for me, so it's kind of just like giving me the fattest muffin top, but it's fine. Tonight, I'm going to exfoliate, shave finally, and exfoliate finally, because I have the driest legs in the world. Insert clip of me talking about how dry my legs were yesterday. My legs are so dry. No way this is real. I can play tic-tac-toe. I'm going to shave because I haven't shaved in forever, and I think this is the longest I've gone without shaving. And then I'm also going to, you know, do a bath with a bath bomb, make it all cute and stuff, do a face mask, and then I'll self-tan tonight and laminate my brows. And if you guys don't know what laminating your brows is, it's basically like a lash lift but for your brows. So like, you know, people can do lash lifts to like make their lashes stay up. You can do a brow lamination to make your brows stay up, but I'm doing it at home, so it's like gonna be like the bootleg Walmart version, but it's fine. I filled my bathtub up already. So Lush was nice enough to send me some things, which like thank you, because if you guys don't know, literally in every single one of my glow up videos I use Lush, and I actually pay for myself. And then they were like, you know, let us know some of your favorites and we'll send them to you. And I was like, what? No freaking way. I love Lush. So they sent me some cute bath bombs. I think I want to use this eggplant one just for the vibes, you know? Oh, also, we're gonna exfoliate my lips tonight with this bubblegum lip scrub. And then after I exfoliate and stuff like that and shave, I'm gonna put on this Snow Fairy body conditioner so that my legs aren't dry. And then to wash my body, I'm gonna use this Lush shower gel in Snow Fairy. And then to exfoliate, I'm gonna use this fat tub of Ocean Salt by Lush that I actually bought myself because I already ran out. Love this stuff. And then for my face mask, I'm gonna use this Cup of Coffee face and body mask. This is literally my favorite. Oh, smells so good. So I'm gonna put this on right now. This smells so good. I probably should have been sucking in this whole time, but do I care? No. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, so here's a view of the bathtub. Here is this little thing that my ex made me that I don't want to throw away because I kind of low-key use it. So thank you to my ex for making this, but not thank you for cheating on me. It says, don't skip the ads, which means don't skip the motherfucking ads, guys. Thank you. Shh. Wow. The only time I be holding eggplant. Okay, I've been filming for too long. See you guys in a bit.
20 minutes later.
Hi, you guys want to know something completely disgusting? I can literally roll the dead skin off my body. Y'all ever done this before? Shit's so satisfying, but so gross at the same time. And you can just do this to your skin and roll off. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to drain this bathtub and exfoliate my legs now. Bro, what the? I'm going to the gym. Why isn't this opening? Oh my god, I can't get it open. I got it. Oh, okay. Oh my god, this is the weirdest video y'all have ever watched, isn't it? This is definitely not gonna be monetized. Boom. Exfoliate. My loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe. Okay, so I just finished showering. My skin feels so smooth. I use the body conditioner. Okay, so now I'm going to use bubblegum lip scrub from Lush. I don't know how to use it. So this is what my lips look like after. There was no need to go up that close. Okay, so I have my brow lamination kit. Don't mind the background. It's like ugly, I get it. You guys are here for the entertainment, not aesthetics. Say it louder for the people that are new here. And I'm breathing really heavy because guess what? You guys know the drill. It's because I walked up my stairs. So I ordered this off of Amazon and I can't even get it open because I'm dumb. This is like broken. Do you guys see this? Like it came broken. Basically, I'm just gonna dip my thing in it. Take this, lather this on. Am I doing this right? I don't know if I'm doing this right. Sorry I'm so quiet. I'm like focused because like these are my eyebrows, guys. I'm so confused on what I was supposed to do. Got saran wrap on this one eyebrow. Look, I walked up the stairs and I can't breathe again. So now I'm gonna do this eye. I'm gonna put it like here, lots in there. I'm just like brushing this through my brows, trying to make them to stay up, but like they won't. Oh, now it's kind of sticking. If this doesn't work, I'm trying it again with glue. Literally smells like burnt hair up in here. Okay, now I'm gonna do the front. I kind of got it to stick if you guys can see. I'm so focused on this because I really want this to work. I'm going to put this on my eyebrow. And this one has been on for long enough. It said to do 5 to 8 minutes. So now it says to put lotion number 2 on it, which is this fixation one. Ugh, imagine if my brows just stayed like this. I could be a model. Just kidding. That was the most bold statement I've ever said. And put it back on, it says, for another 5 to 8 minutes. I'm gonna come back once this is all done.
11 minutes later.
Also, I don't have like any cotton pad rounds or anything to wipe anything, so I'm just gonna use a clean panty liner. Wow. Didn't do anything. Okay, so like I did some playing around. That sounds really weird. I actually kind of like them, not gonna lie. My skin feels so raw. Definitely should not wax it. I'm gonna wax tomorrow because I've double waxed before and it gave me scars and I can't have scars. Holy shit, hold on, wait. Why am I genuinely impressed? What? I didn't think this was gonna work. Not gonna lie, I didn't think it would work. Oh my god, I'm linking this down in the description box below. Go get it, everyone. This works. Are you guys as impressed as I am? Because I'm so impressed. And if you want to tint your brows, that could like up it in the level, you know, but I already have them microbladed. Okay, so now I just need to self-tan and then I'll do the rest tomorrow. Now it's time to self-tan. So here we have this really dirty tanning mitt and some Bondi Sands tanning foam in dark. I don't have a technique to this. I'm gonna do 2 layers, so like after 30 minutes I'll come back and do another one just so I'm extra dark. I'm gonna come back once everything's done.
1 hour later.
Okay, it's an hour later. I've done 2 layers of self-tan and I'm pretty dark. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow and we're gonna see how I look. Hi, okay, so it's the next morning and I actually don't look orange. Like, surprisingly, I don't look like the peanut butter baby, and I usually do, but I'm gonna shower this off and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so I just showered it off. This is what the tan looks like. It's actually good. I don't know how much darker I am. I can't really tell, but I also got it all on my palms. Oh, I just walked up the stairs again. Like, how many times can I say that? But like, I'm out of breath. This is my leg. Wow. Aesthetic background check. So now I'm gonna wax my eyebrows. I'm sure you guys know this process. So usually I wax off my eyebrow on accident, but today we're not doing that because I can't risk that, okay? I actually have somewhere to be. It's like microwavable wax, and I'll try to link this down in the description box, but it's really good. You literally just microwave it for like 2 minutes, not even. And then I just stole some coffee stirrers from Starbucks yesterday because I don't want to buy popsicle stick. Hot! Oh, I burnt my skin. 3, 2. I'm scared. I never like to do this. Ow! I feel like my skin is super raw right now and I should not be doing this. Like, I should not be waxing it since I permed it, you know what I mean? And I don't want scars because I've had scars from waxing before. I'm gonna do the middle of my brows. I feel like that's safe. I get so quiet when I try to focus. I'm sorry. Shoot. 2. Oh. Ow. You'll see. Wow. So I'm just gonna pluck the rest because I'm actually so scared, but I'm gonna wax my upper lip. Now this hurts so bad. What the? I can't. Just pull it off. Ow. Like, I'll tell myself to pull it off and it just won't do it because it just knows the pain. I'm gonna Snapchat this. Ow. Shoot, that hurt. Okay, so now that this is all done, I'm gonna use an oil to wipe all the excess wax off. I'll tweeze them and then I'll get back to you guys. Hi, okay, so it's a little bit later now. I went to the gym, surprising, right? Okay, so I'm gonna do my hair extensions and then I'll do my makeup and then I'll curl my hair. So this is my new weave. I don't know, but I'm gonna do my makeup and then we'll curl my hair. So like, this is what I look like standing, and like, I don't like this, but maybe it's because I need to curl my hair. So now I'm gonna white my teeth, and I'm using the Crest 3D white strips, and I have a little hack if you guys have a retainer or Invisalign or something like that. Definitely would not recommend this if I was your dentist or orthodontist, but from me to you, I'm gonna tell you I do this. So if you guys have ever tried this, you guys know that there's like a terrible taste. Put it on your teeth and pop your retainer in. And then you can just enjoy your life. You're not even supposed to be whitening your teeth if you have Invisalign, but I'm a rebel. Before, I already have really white teeth naturally though. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you guys my whole makeup routine or anything, but I'm gonna be trying something new, which is the Dior Backstage foundation, and then also the Lily lashes. I'm not sure which one I wanna try. Okay, sorry, my camera died, but I finished my makeup, put on my lashes, did highlight, and now I'm gonna curl my hair. So I got a new curling iron yesterday. I got a 1.5 inch barrel. I feel like I should section my hair, but I don't want to. This feels so fucking weird having long hair. But I think I look better, I think, with long hair. Okay, I am in love with my hair, and I am so mad at myself for bleaching it so much and then having to cut it off because it was dead. Because if I didn't, my hair could be this long, and I'm so mad it's not. I got told back in high school that my hair looked better short, but like, they're lying. They're fucking lying. I'm having a Madison Beer moment, but like, my nose and waist isn't snatched. So now I need to change into an outfit. I'm filming a clean in my room video, guys, don't worry. Outfit change in 3, 2, boom! Oh my god! This is the fit, let me show you. Also, I just added this necklace that I got from Brandy Melville and then added a Louis Vuitton lock on it. My earrings are from Swarovski. My blazer is from Meshki. I love that it's cropped. This top right here is from White Fox. It's too big for me. And then these pants are from Aritzia. And I need to take out my tea lighting stuff because I forgot. And then I gotta put some lip gloss on, and then we gotta go take some pics. Also, literally love my eyebrows.
3:28 a.m.
Okay, so I forgot to take you guys with me, but I went to downtown Calgary and took some pictures. I posted them on my Instagram though, so if you guys want to see those, go check out my Instagram, give it a follow, DM me, and I might DM you back. Also, let's try to get this picture right here to 80,000 likes. I don't think we'll be able to do it, but let's try to do that. And if you guys come from this video, comment iced coffee. That's what you need to comment. And if you comment that, I will like your comment. So go comment and like that picture. Also, I've already been to playlists and I posted a bunch of pictures. Here is a TikTok that I made though, but if you guys want to see like more of the pictures, like you can see it, go check out my Instagram. And yeah. I overall am obsessed with hair extensions now. Like, I want to wear them every single day now because I'm so obsessed. Also obsessed with this eyebrow thing. Like, for real, I think I'm gonna do it all the time now, even though it's really bad for your brows. Like, you're literally perming it, and like perming it is like chemicals to your brows. But like, I'm obsessed. Like, I've never had my brows look like this. Eyebrow gel won't do anything to it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Follow my spam account if you guys want to know even more of the details, and then follow my Snapchat if you guys want to even know more of the details. I update my life on Snapchat every 2 seconds. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And also subscribe because we are so close to 1 million. Thank you so much. Comment anything down below because I read every single one of my comments. And until next time, peace.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest.